Hey everyone, and welcome back to day 26 of 100-Day Code of the Programming Zone. Subscribe and turn on bell notifications. Today's case? Missing data. Those pesky blank spaces that can trip up even the best analyses. But fear not, we have a secret weapon, Pandas, the Python library that's ready to crack the case. Let's dive into how Pandas helps us handle missing data like pros. 1. Identifying the missing pieces. First, we need to scope out the crime scene. Pandas has a special method called null to spot those missing values. Import pandas as PD. Load your data. Data equals PD read CSV employee data.csv. Reveal the missing values. Missing values equals data.isNull. Print missing values. This creates a mask showing where those sneaky missing values are hiding. 2. Counting the culprits. Now, let's count how many times each column has gone missing. Missing counts equals data.isNull.sum. Print missing counts. This gives us a handy tally of the missing data in each column. 3. Handling the missing data. Now for some action. Pandas offers several ways to deal with these missing values. A. Dropping the missing rows. Clean data equals data.dropna. Drops any row with missing values. B. Filling the gaps. Data.fillna, in place equals true. Fills missing ages with average age. C. Using placeholders. Data.fillna. Replaces missing values with unknown. Choose the technique that best suits your investigation. Remember, handling missing data is crucial for accurate analysis. With Pandas by your side, you'll be a master detective in no time. Stay tuned for more data-solving techniques in future episodes. Until then, keep those datasets clean and complete. That's it for today. See you tomorrow.